Clay's about the same size as your one, Paul.
Yeah.
So we might hang on to those too?
Yeah, hang on to them.
Yeah. Well, I know for us New South Wales anglers, these little salmon are quite small, but down here they have a legal size of 210 millimetres. So we're going to hang on to these little fellas and see what we can come up with.
I need to find a more sheltered spot to cook breakfast, and Scotty wants to try fish in a different area. So we find a lovely little spot on the Hopkins River where we can do both. People always underrate Aussie salmon, but I tell you what, these little fellas will do me just fine for breakfast. And with them, I'm going to make my version of an Italian dish that I like to call fish in crazy water. Firstly, I score the fish to help them cook quickly, then season them with salt and pepper. I prepare my pan with some olive oil and some rich local butter. I put the olive oil in there to stop the butter from burning. Now, add our fish, been seasoned. Straight in the pan. Just going to turn it up a little bit and we'll get that rocking and rolling. For this dish, I'm also using some beautiful olives, cherry tomatoes, basil, lemon juice, parsley and some capers. So I'll wait for my fish to cook on one side for around about 2 or 3 minutes. Then I carefully turn them over. And now I'm ready to add some of my ingredients for the sauce. I'm going to throw our lovely olives in there. Cherry tomatoes, give it a little bit of colour in there. Now then, our capers, a little bit of saltiness. Lemon juice. Now, here comes our fun bit. This is where the crazy water comes in. Whoa! Now that's crazy water. Oh no. There we go. After adding my soda water, I need to do a bit of a clean up and also make the sauce to go with the fish. So the fish won't overcook, I take them out of the pan while I make the sauce. I turn the heat up, throw in some parsley, basil leaves and a knob of butter to help emulsify the sauce. Then add some salt and pepper and leave it to reduce. Once the sauce is done, it's time to plate up. Have a taste of that, mate. There you go.
I'll tell you what, it's amazing. It's so sweet for such a small fish, it's beautiful.